Before the video begins, if you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe. It only takes 1 second to subscribe and it takes me hours and hours to complete these drawings, and I would greatly appreciate it. And while you're at it, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I upload a new video. I upload every single Friday and I am consistent, so make sure to turn on post notifications. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video.
flying by, away from them, and no one can see me now. I'm miles above you, don't care what they're seeing below, 'cause I'm miles above, I'm miles above you. Miles above you.
Alrighty everybody, that wraps up the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like the video and also make sure to comment what you thought of the drawing. Let me know in the comments. I reply to everybody, so don't be afraid to comment what you thought of the drawing. Also make sure to share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. And if you are new to the channel, also subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, especially because it kind of challenged me, because Kageyama's head was in a very weird position. Especially in the reference I used, his head was in a very weird position. So it's kind of challenged me because it was a new way of drawing the head in a different angle. I think the drawing came out pretty decent. I wasn't too happy with the outcome, especially with the colors of the uniform, because I feel like the uniform is a really weird color that I can never really get right, since it's like a very dark navy blue, and I don't know, it's a very weird color to describe. But yeah, other than the colors, I think everything came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the result. I'm going to be leaving my other videos in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find an anime character that I've drawn that you may really like. It's going to be in the description, so make sure to check it out. But yeah, everybody, that wraps up the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.